Wednesday's wind also took a toll on St. Paul's Church in downtown Lansing. Ottawa Street was closed last week over fears that the church's wall could come crashing down, and while the wall is still standing, it needs repairs. Members and the community are coming together to make everything good as new for the historic church. It has been standing for over 100 years. Service took place as usual on Sunday, but in a different part of the building. Members remain optimistic about the church's future.
You know, we're people of resurrection, so we understand that, okay, the blessing in this is that we have an opportunity to not only rebuild, but what are we being called to do in this community?
Right now, the wall is standing, but parts of the church are blocked off for safety. Structural engineers are being brought in to analyze the construction zone.